Good morning. Wow, today is off to a great start for me. Like, I've just been achieving things since I woke up this morning. I got up at 5:15. I left the house for exercise at 5:44, and I was back home by 7:35. I think, yeah, when I checked it was 7:35. Did my stretches, did house chores, and now I'm about to pack up home and co orders. My friend Tari is coming here to pick up her own, and Udeme, my friend too. Udeme is one of my big customers. Sometimes Udeme is my big customer, but she's also my friend. These are the items I'm trying to pack up. Potted plants. Let me show you guys properly what they look like. So this is a 3-in-1 potted plant, and it's from IKEA. It has this mini monstera plant, I don't know what they call it, and 2 other ones. It's so cute. It's also so cute. I have these on Home and Co, so if you're interested, this is 6,000 naira. You guys, my things are really cheap. I don't even know how. I don't know. And this one is for 5.8. Initially, when I first got this for Home and Co, I was selling it for 4.5, but now pounds has skyrocketed. I pay for shipping now as opposed to that last time when I traveled, so I just put them in my luggage. I did not include transportation, hence the change in price. So these ones are going to different people. One is going to Abuja, a pair of this is going to Lagos. Somebody in Port Harcourt bought 2, another person in Port Harcourt bought 1. I have more, so I'll go and bring them and pack. And then another person in Port Harcourt as well, plus Tari and my friend Udeme. Udeme bought a rack. There's one rack that's it's on Home and Co, and some other things. That's it. Let me just quickly do this and start editing today's video. I got a bunch of new things for Home and Co that will be arriving next week, so look out for those if you're interested. I have candles, I have more plants, and I have what they call it, planters, where you can put plants inside. Okay, I started a new skincare routine today, and I don't have anything to say about it because I've not seen any result, but I'm going to do an updated skincare routine and put up on my channel. I don't know when that will go up, if it will go up before this vlog or after. You guys will just see. If it goes up before the vlog, I'll leave it in the cards, but if it doesn't, then it should be after this vlog. I'll see you guys later.
Several days later.
Hey y'all, good evening. How are you? This smile is not from the bottom part of my heart, reason being that I'm not feeling fine. Like, I've been having these symptoms before Mom's birthday, but it hit me so bad after her birthday. I think the next day around 11-12, I could not do anything. I just had to sleep, hence my not putting out a video here on Tuesday. Yeah, that was on a Tuesday, which is the first in a long time. Like, it's been ages since I did not do my 3 times a week upload, but I couldn't kill myself, guys. Like, literally, I was really down. I went for tests today, but the result is not out yet. I feel like it's the norm, like malaria and typhoid. I'm sure somebody like Nigerians and self-medication, but I haven't taken anything. I don't take drugs like that. I just took like painkillers because I was having the worst migraine ever. But I may be better now, just the body aches, and I feel like it's stress. I don't know, but yeah, I just finished filming my skincare routine. This is the night one. I just finished filming. I filmed the day one earlier today, and I'll edit it and make it into a video. So I changed my skincare routine, everything, like everything I use for my skin I changed, and I'm just going to be sharing it with you guys in that video. Let me go to the sitting room. Mom, she has been calling me. Let me go answer. Good night.
The next day.
Hi guys, good afternoon, happy Sunday. Oh my god, I've been up since finishing today's video, and it's up already. I put up today's video quite early. I put it up by 12 because it was a mukbang, and I wanted people to watch it as they are having their Sunday rice. You know the drill, yeah? I was having fried rice, salad, and a bottle of wine, answering your questions that you all sent in on my Insta stories and also my YouTube community. So if you haven't seen it, I'll leave it in the cards. And yeah, I just want to go and do a bit of laundry. I have small things to wash. They just brought lights. Let me take advantage of that. Also, Momsi is hosting a number of her friends, like maybe 8 or 9 people. She's making Uba and Ishewu. I already helped her a bit earlier, and I'm done now. Let me just go and put the things in the washer. I have my bath and just change into something more comfy because the people will soon start coming. Okay, let us go and put the things to wash. Hi guys, so I've showered and they just even brought the light again. They took it, but my what they call it, what I put in the washer is done. I'm just draining it now. One of Momsy's friend is already here and they are boiling unripe plantain to serve with the ishewu. I'm just chilling here because I've done what I'm supposed to do. Okay, yeah, let me go and spin my clothes. Guys, look at the ishewu. Momsy is doing it. Mommy. Ngwongwo. This is the one I can't wait to eat. Wow. It smells so nice. Let me go and show them the uba. You guys, look at the uba. So yum. A few people have come. It's 3 people. I see the ishewu and my phone. I've left the sitting room. Can you hear Risky playing? I'm playing from my phone here, and they are there now. All my mom's friends and my mom, they're just chilling. I'm just here counting down to BBN eviction show. That's when I will go out to watch again. But yeah, I finished eating a shewu and alright plantain, and I ate a bit of uba too. So I feel fulfilled. I feel great. Talk to you guys later. Bye.
Next morning.
I'll be your lighter. On fire. I love you. Hey guys, good morning. Hi. So I'm dressed up and ready to leave my house. Am I looking too bright? Yeah, better. So I'm dressed up and ready to leave my house now. I have a couple of errands to run for myself. I have bank runs to do. I have to go and pick up my market for Home and Co from God is Good Motors. I have, what else? I have to go and get things for my friend Amida gave birth, her son. I want to go and shop for him because I haven't seen the baby since she gave birth, and baby's almost 2 weeks now, even 3 weeks. So I need to go and get stuff and then come back home, edit today's video, tomorrow's video. Actually, today is a Monday, in case I did not mention that. Edit tomorrow's video and what else? Yeah, and every other thing in between. I don't know, but I'm going to end this vlog here and start the next one today as well, showing you guys the things I got for Home and Co. Okay. If you enjoyed watching, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, you know what to do. Please help me subscribe and also turn on your bell icon so you are notified each time I have a new post on here. All right, thank you so much guys. I love you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.